How to fix login error on Adidas. If you're not being able to log into the Adidas app, there could be various reasons for this. The first thing you want to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, if you're using the Adidas app on Android, long press the Adidas app icon, tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page on Android. Now once here, you can go to the storage usage where you can clear the cache files and also clear the data. Then go to your Play Store or your App Store, then simply search for the Adidas app, check if it has an update, and if it does, you want to make sure to update it to the latest version. If you're still not being able to log in, then chances are that you could be typing in an incorrect credential. So you want to check if your email and password is correct in this case, and you want to tap on the continue button. In case you forgot your password, you can try to reset your password, or you can also try to continue logging in with Google, Apple, Facebook, or Yahoo account. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.